Okay, so I'm going to show you a really neat thing in Thrive that you can use to show you a step-by-step for anything that you want to do pretty much. So let's say I want to send an estimate. You go to Sales and then hit Estimate, and there's an orange button right down here on the corner, on the right hand corner at the bottom. Click this button and then hit Walkthrough Guides. If you see any of these options here, that means that there's a step-by-step tutorial on how to do any of these different things. So for example, create an estimate. You just click on Create an Estimate and it will literally walk you through how to do an estimate. So you just click Let's Do It, and it walks you through where to click in order to create a new estimate, and it tells you in each window what you're supposed to be doing in order to create that estimate. It'll show you, pretty much step by step to do everything. So that's one thing. If, for example, I was using the calendar, and you'll see this orange button here again. You click on the orange button, Walkthrough Guides, and you can see they're different and they're all related to calendar. So if you wanted to learn how to schedule an appointment in your calendar, you click Schedule an Appointment, Let's Do It, and it shows you how to schedule an appointment step by step. And that's about it.